Today's video gonna be about installation of LED lights under your hood, under your bonnet. This is the way I did it. You can improvise on it. I'm just giving you an idea. It's entirely up to you how you want the LED set up and what switch you want to put. Without wasting much time, let's go down to the mod. Power has been tapped from the battery positive, leading to an inline fuse holder and fuse, which in turn connects to a 5-pin LED switch. A cable from the switch is passed from here and through the space inside the bonnet, powering these two LED modules. Another LED module I have placed out here. I pass the wire to the next set of LED modules. I'm using a lighter because I don't have a hot air gun. I've ordered it. We'll be making an unboxing video soon. Before affixing the sticky side of the LED module, ensure the surface is properly cleaned to improve the adhesion. Also, I have used a little bit of quick fix.
Bring it back now. Take it back now. Bring it back now. Take it back now.
Insulation tape and heat shrink has been used at all the cable joints.
Take it back now. Bring it back now. 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 Bring it back now. Take 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 it back now.
I'm using a 5-pin LED switch.
Take it back now. Bring it back now. 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 Take it back now. Bring it back now.
I have secured the LED switch to a PVC pipe. Also, I have drilled holes in the PVC pipe to pass cable ties, hereby securing it to the car body.
Take it back now. Bring it back now. Take it back now. Bring it
computer technology.
Here you go guys, you have light under your bonnet. I had few issues before and it was very difficult to work under low light or no light conditions.
The computer technology.
Hope you like this video. It's just an idea for you. You can choose the number of LEDs, the color and the type of switch. Please like, share and subscribe guys. Hit the bell icon, more videos coming your way. And ride safe.
Computer technology.